Today we will see how to make very tasty brinjal fry. This recipe needs very less ingredients and it's very easy to make and very tasty to take with chapati, plain rice, or even you can make a sandwich. First, cut brinjal into thin slices. Add some chili powder. I added 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, then half teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the spice and salt according to your taste. After that, marinate well with a little water. Add very little water and marinate well. Heat a pan, pour oil. I added 2 tablespoons of oil. Put some cumin seeds. It's optional. If you don't like cumin smell, you can avoid that. Once it started spluttering, add some curry leaves. Then add these marinated pieces of brinjal to that. This is a very shallow fry, so don't need a lot of oil. Just 2 tablespoons oil is enough. Once it started heating well, just flip it over. Until you get a very nice golden color. Because we cut this one into thin slices, it will get cooked very fast, so you don't have to cook it for a long time. You can keep the flame in a medium, then cook each side till it become golden brown color. See, very yummy and tasty brinjal fry is ready. You can serve it with hot rice, chapati, or even you can make a sandwich with that. Thank you.